Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.4 question number 1. From the top of a tree of height 13 meter, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of the another tree are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the second tree. Right? The word problem I am going to convert into the diagram. Right? How I am going to convert into the diagram, you see. This is one tree. Right? The height is 13 meter. It is given to you A, B. Next, another one tree. From the top of the first tree, you are seeing the top of the second tree, top of the second tree, and the bottom of the second tree. Got it, children? Bottom of the second tree. 1 minute. Bottom of the second tree. Bottom of the second tree. Now you have to connect the base of both the trees, right? This is your C, here D. From A, you are going to draw a horizontal line which is perpendicular to the opposite side CD. It cuts at E. Now it makes an angle 90 degree. See here, this is 13 meter. It looks like a, sometime it may looks like a rectangle or square. This is 13 meter means opposite sides are equal. So what is the position of DE? DE is also 13 meter. Then one thing they given, the top and bottom. Here it makes an angle 45 degree. This angle they represented as 30 degree. See, AE and BD are parallel. AD act as a transversal. What I said? AE, BD are parallel. AD act as a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. That's why this angle it becomes 30 degree. Got it, children? The word problem you are converted into the diagrammatic representation. Now solution. Let AB is the tree of height, tree of height 13 meter. Another tree, what I said, another tree is CD. Another tree, that is CD is another tree. Now, angle CAE equal to 45 degree. Angle EAD equal to angle ADB equal to 30 degree. I gave the explanation for this. Once again, I repeat, you see, AE depression means you are seeing the object towards end, downwards. You are seeing the object downward, right? It makes an angle 30 degree. AE, BD are parallel. AD act as a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. Here it is 30 degree. That's why this angle is also 30 degree. Then AB equal to DE. AB equal to DE. The same way. AE equal to BD. Opposite sides are equal. Whether it is a square or rectangle, you don't bother, right? Now, AB equal to DE equal to how much? 13 meter, right? AB equal to DE equal to 13 meter. In right triangle, AEC, angle E equal to 90 degree. Then tan 45 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. That means CE divided by AE. CE divided by AE, which implies 1 equal to CE divided by AE, which implies AE equal to CE. AE equal to CE. This is my equation number 1. Now, in right triangle ABD, angle B equal to 90 degree, tan 30 degree equal to the same opposite side AB divided by BD, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then AB they given us 13, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to tan, here AB is 13. So what is your BD? Cross multiply. BD equal to 13 root 3. BD equal to 13 root 3. Now already you wrote BD equal to AE. BD equal to AE. See here. BD equal to AE. That means that is also AE equal to 13 root 3. Equation 1, from 1, CE equal to AE. That AE is replaced by what? 13 root 3. 13 root 3. Got it, children? Now they are expecting height of the second tree. Height of the second tree equal to height of the second tree equal to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. CE what we found? 13 root 3. ED what it is? 13. Got it? All the values we got it. That you have to substitute now, which is equal to 13 in common you have to take root 3 plus 1. Root 3 value is given as 1.732 plus 1, which is equal to 13 into 2.732. Then you have to multiply and see 2.732 into 13. 2.732 13. 6, 9, 21, 2, 8. Then 2, 3, 7, 2. 6, 1, 5, 5, 3. 35.51, 1.732, right? 35.516. 35.516. 35.516. If you want to write correct up to 2 decimal means the answer is 35.52 meter approx. Correct up to 2 decimals, right? Now, so at the end you have to highlight your answer. Height of the second tree equal to height of the second tree equal to 35.52 2 meter. You did correct up to 2 decimal, right? 516 is converted into 52. Now the next question, what it is? A man is question. A man is standing on the deck of a ship. A man is standing the, on the deck of a ship which is 40 meter, which is 40 meter above water level. He observes the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a hill is 60 degree. Hill as 60 degree. 1 minute, children. Elevation, angle of elevation of the top of a hill as 60 degree, and the angle of depression, of the base of the hill, of the base of the hill as 30 degree. Calculate the distance. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill, and the height of the hill. You are going to convert into the diagrammatic, right? How you are going to convert, you see. See, a man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 40 meter above, right? Which is 40 meter above. Here it is a ship at the top, 40 meter above, right? This is your E. Here I am going to name it as A. Now, the hill, right? This is your hill. 1 minute, I will draw a straight line. Somewhat. Right? Now, you are seeing top of the hill. You are seeing top of the hill. Here C, this as B. Top of the hill, how much angle they mentioned? 60 degree. You are drawing a horizontal line. You are drawing a horizontal line. You are drawing a horizontal line from E to BC. It will meet at D. It makes an angle 90 degree. Here it is 60 degree. You are seeing the base of the hill from this point, right? You are seeing the base of the hill. That it makes an angle 30 degree is given to you. ED and AB are parallel. ED and AB are parallel. BE act as a transversal. So what it makes an angle? 30 degree alternate interior angles. Right. AE and BD are equal. So BD equal to 40 meter. Right. Sometimes the diagram represents the bases, that is ABDE. Sometimes it may be a square or it may be a rectangle. Whatever it is, what? Opposite sides are equal. That concept you have to use it. Right? Solution. Let a man, let a man is standing. A man is standing on the deck of a ship, on the deck of a ship at a point E. At a point E. Right? 40 meter. It is rough diagram only. It is not an exact diagram, children. Right? Now, such that AE equal to 40 meter. Now, AE equal to BD because opposite sides are equal, I say. So, BD equal to 40 meter. The same way, ED equal to AB. ED equal to AB. Whether it is a square or rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That concept you are using here, right? Now, in triangle, in right triangle, ECD. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 degree equal to opposite side, that is CD divided by ED, which implies root 3 equal to CD divided by ED. CD divided by ED. Now, ED equal to CD divided by root 3. Equation number 1. Now we'll pass on to the next right triangle. Which is your next right triangle, children? Any idea? Yeah, very good. In right triangle, what do people say? EAB, right? Angle A equal to 90 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite side. What is your opposite side? AE divided by AB, which implies 1 by root 3 equal to, what is your AE? AE is 40 divided by AB. Got it, children? Now, AB equal to 40 root 3. AB equal to 40 root 3. Now, AB equal to 40 root 3. Now, AB equal to 40 root 3, which is equal to 40 into 1.732, which is equal to 8, 12, 28, 29, remaining 3, 4, see, remaining 29, 2, 4, 6, right? That is 69.28 meter. 69.28 meter. That is distance between the hill from the ship. Distance between the hill from the ship. They are asking distance as well as height of the hill, right? From the ship equal to 69.28 meter. 69.28 meter. Got it, children? Now, AB equal to 40 root 3. You got it, right? Now, what is your equation number 1? Equation number 1 is equal to ED equal to CD divided by root 3. Now, ED equal to AB. Already you wrote, right? ED equal to AB. So, AB is what? 40 root 3 equal to CD divided by root 3. Then you cross multiply. C, which implies CD equal to 120 meter. CD equal to what? 120 meter. They are expecting height of the hill, right? What is height of the hill? Height of the hill, what we consider, CD is our hill, right? CB is our hill. Height of the hill equal to height of the hill equal to what? BC, which is equal to BD plus DC. What is our BD? BD value is 40. CD we arrived as 120, which is equal to 160, right? 160 meter. Height of the hill equal to 160 meter. Distance between the hill and the ship is 69.28 meter. Got it, children? Height of the hill equal to height of the hill equal to 160 meter. Once again, I am going to explain the sum. You have to listen carefully, children. See here. A man is standing on the deck of a ship, right? That is E. E is the position the person is standing. From there, he is seeing the top of the hill as well as the bottom of the hill. It makes an angle 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. It is given to you. 40 meter height, right? A man is standing on the deck of a ship and the height is 40 meters. So, AE is 40. AE equal to BD. Opposite sides are equal. So, BD equal to 40. Next, you are constructing a horizontal line from E to CB. It will meet at D. It acts as a perpendicular. Now, we got it as a right triangle. In right triangle ECD, angle D equal to 90 degree. Then tan 60 degree equal to CD divided by ED, which implies root 3 equal to CD divided by ED. Then ED equal to CD by root 3. Next triangle EAB, angle A equal to 90 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to AE divided by AB. AB equal to 40 root 3. Distance between the ship and the hill, 40 into 1.732, 69.28 meter. AB equal to what? DE. AB equal to DE. AB equal to DE. So DE can be replaced by 40 root 3. Here you have to write from 1. Right? From 1, ED can be replaced by 40 root 3. Then CD equal to 120. They are expecting height of the hill. Height of the hill is BC. So BC can be written as BD plus BC. BD equal to 40 already we wrote. CD we arrived 120. So you substitute and arrive the result as 160 meter. Height of the hill equal to 160 meter. When you see the sum, you may people think that it is difficult. Once if you understand and represent in the diagram, the rest of the things are easy. At the same time, you have to know the values of trigonometric functions. You should be thorough in that. Right? Thank you, children.